Welcome back, everyone. Today, in this episode, I will be talking about how to make successful blogs online. With the advent of new media, blog writing has grown exponentially. Today, anyone can write on any given topic at any point of time. Blogs are definitely providing a platform that enables people to express themselves openly. It also allows for instant responses. Multiple conversation threads can be easily created, and the best thing is, it can be published quickly. Now, if you're looking at creating free blog, check out Google's blog.com. It provides basic design template. It is best suited for students, newcomers who are trying for the first time to write their original piece of work. But let me tell you all something. I have noticed one thing. Blogs are easier to start but very difficult to maintain. Consistency is the key. If you can't write regularly, don't think of blogging. You need to think continuously and keep on coming up with innovative ideas. For example, if you love comics, you can create a blog that pays tribute to various comics from different era. Similarly, if you love to play innovative indoor games, you can create a blog on that. For example, Pallangoi in Kerala, Sagargote in Maharashtra are extremely popular indoor games, but very few people know about it. If you genuinely feel you have it in you to enamor people with your writing style, ideally, you should create your own blog by buying the domain name and hosting service. Domain and hosting can be bought from the following sites: Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, DreamHost, Hostinger, and many more. Now, after the blog is set up, what should you do next? Remember, the first thing is to think of a title or a headline of the topic that you are planning to write on. No one likes generic data. Try to build content on something very specific and niche so that you can please search engines and develop yourself. If you can't zero down on a title, give yourself time, conduct research, try to gauge what could likely be the topic of interest to you. You can also look into Google Trends, check the news and flow of information, and thereby select your title. Try to select a topic that you can do justice to. Ideally, you should choose a topic that you have passion for, else the content will suffer and your writing will sound monotonous. Title or headline should be short and crisp. Remember, 80% of the people read the headline, while only 20% will read the entire blog. Then comes the introduction. Ideally, you should write a small summary of what your blog is all about and have a hook point so that you can engage the person. Always include images. People love scanning through images and reading at a glance. Too much of text will look boring. Ideal mix of text and pictures will add value to your blog. After that, you can include subheadings in a bullet format. It is suggested that you include backlinks to other people. This will enable you to generate more traffic to your blog. Try to end your blog with a question so that you will be able to engage your readers and you will be able to develop relationships. Try to get a feedback of your blog from your friends, relatives, so that their suggestions can help you to improve your writing skills. A good writer is the one who keeps learning and listening and critically accepts any kind of feedback, be it positive or negative. Now let's understand what should be the ideal length of a blog. Blog should have minimum 300 words. Generally, a good blog should be anywhere between 600 words to 1200 words. According to a research conducted in 2019, the ideal blog length is 1700 words. Keep the layout of your blog without any clutter. Clarity is the key. You should focus on effective marketing. Inform your readers through Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I would like to end the episode with Lev Tolstoy's quote: "Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself." Stay safe, stay blessed. If you liked my video, like, share, and subscribe to it. Thank you very much.